AI can write a script in 30 seconds. The problem? It sounds like a robot wrote it. Now here's how to fix it. Hi, Taylor here at Financial Potion, where video is your financial potion. And to never miss out on a video, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and then click on that bell so you're notified every Friday at 5 p.m. Arizona time that a new video's been posted. So 58% of marketers are already using AI tools to help edit, script, or personalize their video content. And honestly, as a starting point, AI is awesome. It helps you get past that blank page, organize your thoughts, and structure a script quickly. But if you just paste an AI script directly onto a teleprompter and read it, your audience is gonna feel it. Something will seem slightly off, and that's because AI writes for the eye and you're performing for the ear. Here's a workflow that actually works. Step 1, give AI your raw idea, not a formal prompt. Type it the way you would say it to a colleague, like, I want to explain to a small business owner why they need to have clean books and keep work and personal finance separate. Keep it casual, about 2 minutes, and no corporate language. Now, step 2, read the output out loud immediately. Your ear is going to catch what your eye misses. Every place it feels stiff or formal, rewrite it in your words. Now, step 3, add your personality back in, a personal story, a phrase you actually use, an opinion. AI can't replicate your perspective, but it can build the skeleton that holds it. Try to resist the urge to use AI-generated scripts word for word. Think of it as a rough draft from like a very fast intern. Useful, but it needs your voice before it goes live. The goal is to work faster without sounding like everyone else. AI gets you to a draft. You make it yours. My personal favorite tool at the time of this recording is Claude. It has really become my writing partner. Our Great 8 document can also help you get started with writing your perfect 60-second introduction. Click on the link in the description to download your free template right now, and then use AI and yourself to personalize it to make it the perfect 60-second script for everyone to know about what you do and what your value proposition is. And if you ever need additional help, don't hesitate to schedule a complimentary strategy session.